Hi everyone, so we are starting a new challenge which is 21 days hard challenge. In this, basically the challenge is to log for continuously for 21 days, and which is 3 weeks, and reviewing it after the end of each week. So now I have made some changes in my trading journal, so I will be now journaling my trades in my notebook, handwritten, and on top of it I will be making a video each day for all the trades that I took, and what all rules I followed and what all I not followed, and like what were the rules which I violated. And on top of it, we will be also logging the emotions that we had during the trade, after the trade, and before the trade. So this will be written, this I will be logging like handwritten in my diary, whereas I will be making a video on it along with the strategy on which I took the trade at the end of every day, which is whenever I just punch in my last trade for the day. So this is going to be a 21 days hard challenge, and I've made a playlist for this which is on my Forex Pips channel, this channel itself, where it's titled like as 21 days hard challenge. And the challenge is to basically follow all the rules, log everything, even if I violated the rules or if I not violated, which rules I violated. So I have made a template in my diary where I will be basically logging in different aspects or perspectives. Like I have a basically set of rules that I have set. So there are in total of 9 rules, and on those 9 rules I will be seeing how many rules I followed. So first is I will be logging the pair, I will be logging the session, I will be logging the time at which I punched in, the strategy that I took. So I have basically 3 strategies. One is basically the order block entry at 15 minutes and with a bullish signal, like a formation of a breaker block and entry at the breaker block. Or the second strategy is basically the sweep of the session's liquidity, and after that formation of a breaker block and taking the entry at FVG, and if we have an order block present, then we will be taking the entry at order block itself. That's the second. And the third strategy is basically change in the state of delivery at a given time zone. So let's say at a high probable time zone, so let's say if we are 15-minute bullish and the trade comes in the high probable zone, which is 0.618 to 0.75, then I will be looking for some confirmations, for some bullish confirmations if the trend is bullish, and if for some bearish confirmation if the overall trend is bearish, and I will be taking the entry on top of the same breaker block formation and entry at FVG or order block if the order block is there. So these are the 3 strategies I'm going to follow. And then the fifth thing I would be logging in is number of rules I followed out of 9 rules that I've created, how many rules were followed. Then the risk I took, the emotion before punching the trade, the emotions during the trade, and emotion after I hit SL or TP, and the number of trades that I traded for the day. So let's say let it be the first, second or third, but my rule says if I'm making loss in 2 consecutive trades, I'm done for the day. And then the last point that I need to be logging in, that I will be logging in, is what mistake I did if I hit the SL. Like sometimes I will not be making a mistake. Let's say if I followed my whole setup and then also I hit SL, I will be just logging that and then aggregating the results at the end of every week. So this is a 21-day hard challenge, which is a 3-week hard challenge, where I need to continuously log in my trades and also create a review trade at the end of every week and extract the learnings out of it, the mistakes that we are doing, and we need to add those mistakes in our rules, and we need to continuously improve ourselves by following those set of rules that I will be creating. So this is going to be a psychological challenge, not any challenge or any series to pay out or anything. So let's see how this challenge goes, and this is going to be an interesting. I will be logging my trades daily at the end of every day, and also I will be updating it on my Instagram as well, which is again Forex Pips 108. So thanks for watching me till here. Let's catch you guys from tomorrow. From tomorrow I will be posting videos daily till 21 days, and we will be then creating a final review video of how this challenge went. And this is going to be our consistency check, because something that I'm logging at is basically consistency and discipline. So this is a real challenge, a real psychological challenge for me, and any of your support is highly appreciated. Thanks a lot.